Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of affiliate marketing? Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or start a full-fledged online business, you're in the right place. Your first steps into affiliate marketing. First, let's cover the basics. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. As an affiliate, you'll partner with a merchant, promote their products, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Step 2. Choose your niche. This is crucial. Select a niche you're passionate about, something you enjoy and know well. This will keep you motivated and make it easier to create engaging content. Research your niche to understand your audience's needs and interests. The right niche can make all the difference. Step 3. Find affiliate programs that align with your chosen niche. Look for reputable companies that offer competitive commissions. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are great places to start. Sign up, get your unique affiliate links, and you're on your way. Step 4. Create your platform. Most affiliates use blogs or websites to promote products, but you can also leverage social media, YouTube, or even email marketing. Focus on building an audience by providing valuable content. Share helpful tips, reviews, and guides that resonate with your audience. Step 5. Create compelling content. Quality is key. Write informative articles, make engaging videos, and utilize SEO techniques to ensure your content ranks well in search engines. Remember, the more valuable your content, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. Step 6. Drive traffic to your content. Use social media platforms, pay-per-click ads, and email marketing to attract visitors. Collaborate with other influencers to expand your reach. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your audience. Step 7. Track your performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your traffic, clicks, and sales. Understanding your data helps you optimize your strategies for better results. Adjust your content and marketing strategies based on what the data tells you. Continuous improvement is key. And there you have it, your first steps into affiliate marketing. Remember, success takes time and effort, but with persistence and passion, you can turn your affiliate marketing journey into a rewarding venture. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. Ready to get started? Subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and tricks to excel in affiliate marketing. Happy marketing!